morning dear students. Today we are doing revision work of science and our topic is endocrine glands. I already explained inside the class that glands are of two types, exocrine glands and endocrine glands. I already explained that the glands are of two types. The first one is endocrine glands and the next one is exocrine glands. The endocrine glands are those glands which didn't have duct. The ductless gland is endocrine glands who secreted their secretion directly in our blood. And exocrine glands are those glands which are ducted. For example, sweat gland is exocrine glands. Today we revise the endocrine glands. Is that clear? Now, here I make some glands, endocrine glands. The first one is pituitary glands. The pituitary gland is also known as the master glands. Dear student, this is present in our brain. Pituitary is the master glands. Why it is the master glands? Because it regulated the secretion of other hormones also. And pituitary is also secrete the growth hormones. The next one is thyroid glands. You have to see here that thyroid is present in a neck region. Dear student, thyroid gland secreted thyroxine. If the thyroxine is not properly secreted, the goiter disease is up. So, the thyroxine hormones is rich of iodines. The next one is adrenal glands. The adrenal glands present the upper part of the kidney. It is triangular shape. It is present in a pair. Here you see one pair is present of adrenal glands. This gland secreted adrenaline hormones. This hormones is also known as stress hormones. The next is pancreas. Very interesting that pancreas is the only glands which work exocrine and endocrine also. Here we are talking about the endocrine glands. In endocrine glands, it secreted insulin. And you know, insulin responsible for balancing the sugar level in our blood. If insulin is not secreted by the pancreas, the sugar level of our blood is increased. And this disease is known as diabetes. The next is ovary. In female, the ovary is present which secreted estrogen hormones, and estrogen is responsible for secondary sexual characters in female. The testes is present in a male and it is responsible for enhance the secondary sexual characters in male. So dear student, these are the endocrine glands and their locations. Now you please write in your science notebook and learn that endocrine glands and their secretion which we call hormones. Please learn that hormones are the chemicals which is secreted by endocrine glands. The first endocrine glands is pituitary glands which secreted the growth hormones which I already explained inside the class also. The second one is ovary. In female, ovary is present which secreted estrogen, and the function of estrogen, development of secondary sexual character in female. The third is testes. Testes secreted testosterone. Testes present in a male and testosterone responsible for the development of secondary sexual characters in male. The fourth one is pancreas. Pancreas is a only gland which functions both exocrine as well as endocrine. Here we are learning the endocrine glands. So as an endocrine and ductless gland, it secreted insulin who balance the sugar level inside the blood. The fifth one is thyroid glands. Thyroid secreted thyroxine hormones. And you know that thyroxine is rich of iodines. It also enhances our metabolic rate of our body, balance the basal metabolic activities of our body. The last one is adrenal glands, and this adrenal glands secreted adrenaline hormones which we also known as the stress hormones. Adrenal gland present in a pair Okay, upper part of the kidney. So these all are the glands and their secretions. You have to learn it. It's compulsory. This is all for today. Thank you.